A name-brand cough syrup was just recalled nationwide. The FDA urges consumers not to ingest these potentially contaminated medications marketed to treat severe cough, flu, and sore throat. As colds, flu, and COVID-19 diagnoses persist in these wintry months, an over-the-counter product may help see you or a loved one through the worst of the illness. However, if Robitussin is a medication you rely on January 24, 2024, its manufacturer announced recalled 3 products you may want to check your cabinet for. Haleon, the company that produces and distributes brand-name health and wellness products like Robitussin, has just recalled 8 lots of cough syrup for potential microbial contamination, according to an alert by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. The source and type of microbes weren't specified, and it seems no illnesses due to the contamination concern have been reported to date. The products are labeled to contain True Source certified honey. The affected medicines are the brands Robitussin, Honey CF Max Day, and Robitussin Honey CF Max Nighttime syrups. The FDA reports they can be identified by the information below. Robitussin Honey CF Max Day, adult 4-ounce lot number T1081, raw, expiration date October 31st, 2025. Robitussin Honey CF Max Day, adult 8-ounce lot numbers T08730, T10731, T10732, T10733, T10808. Expiration dates May 31, 2025, T10733 raw, T10731, T10732, T10733. September 20th, 2025, T10808. Robitussin Honey CF Max NT, adult 8-ounce lot numbers T08740, T08742. Expiration date June 30th, 2026. Haleon and the FDA urge customers not to consume these products. The notice stipulates that in healthy individuals, the product isn't likely to cause harm. However, according to the recall, immunocompromised people could experience poorer outcomes and develop fungemia or disseminated fungal infection. If anyone suspects they are having a reaction to the product, they should contact their healthcare provider for advice. Anyone with questions can contact the company for more information at 1-800-245-1040, Monday through Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. ET.